How to make an Amazon account. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Amazon. Then you'll find Hello Sign In option at the top right. Click on it. Then you'll find New Customer Start Here. Click on Start Here. Then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Add your first and last name, your mobile number or email. Then add password and press on Verify Email. After that, code will be sent to the email address you added earlier. Simply paste the code and click on Create Your Amazon Account. Then you're good to go. As you can see, the account has been created. This is how to make an Amazon account. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest the topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.